Assalamu alaikum. Dear children, welcome to this video. Today we are going to read 10th class first lesson Chanakya and Rakshasa. So before starting the lesson, let's know about Chanakya. Chanakya was ancient Indian teacher, philosopher, economist and royal advisor. He is traditionally identified as Kautilya or Vishnugupta. Chanakya assisted the first Mauryan emperor, Chandragupta, in his rise to power. He played a very important role in the establishment of the Maurya Empire. Now let's begin the lesson, Chanakya and Rakshasa. Chandragupta became the king of Magadha with a very clever man called Chanakya. Chanakya's great task was almost done when he placed Chandragupta on the throne. Only one thing remained for him to do. That was to find able and wise minister to help Chandragupta to rule the kingdom. So, the great work of Chanakya is he helped Chandragupta to become the king of Magadha. After placing Chandragupta on the throne, only one thing remained for Chanakya to do, and that is to find clever and able minister who can help Chandragupta to rule the kingdom. So चाणक्य का सबसे बड़ा कारनामा यही था कि उसने चंद्रगुप्त को मगध का राजा बनने में मदद की. अब चाणक्य के लिए एक ही काम बाकी रह गया था, वो ये कि चंद्रगुप्ता को हुकूमत के काम में मदद करने के लिए अक्लमंद और काबिल वजीर को ढूंढे. His choice fell on Rakshasa, the great minister of Nanda kingdom. Rakshasa was on the side of the Nandas, the enemy of the Chandragupta. Hence, Chanakya had to win him over. He knew that the kingdom would be safe if Rakshasa became the minister. So, Chanakya chose Rakshasa. His means here Chanakya. So Chanakya chose Rakshasa, but the problem is what? Rakshasa is already the minister of the Nanda kingdom, and Nandas were the enemies of Chandragupta. So Chanakya wanted to convince him to become the minister of Magadha, because he knew very well if Rakshasa became the minister of the kingdom of Magadha would be safe. So मगध के वजीर की हैसियत से चाणक्य ने राक्षसा को चुना, मगर मसला ये था कि राक्षसा मगध का वजीर बनने के लिए कैसे राजी किया जाए, क्योंकि राक्षसा पहले ही से नंदा सल्तनत में वजीर था. नंदास चंद्रगुप्त के दुश्मन थे और चाणक्य राक्षसा को ही वजीर इसलिए बनाना चाहता था क्योंकि वो जानता था कि अगर राक्षसा जैसा अक्लमंद और काबिल आदमी मगध का वजीर बन जाएगा तो मगध की सल्तनत हमेशा के लिए महफूज रहेगी. But how to find out the whereabouts of Rakshasa? Whereabouts means पता, ठिकाना. He had been in hiding somewhere. None but his dear friend Chandan Das knew where he was. Chandan Das was not the man to let out secret for anything in the world. So, but one more problem begins here. Now, how to find out Rakshasa? Because Rakshasa has hidden somewhere. Nobody knows where he is. Only his dearest friend Chandan Das knew where the Rakshasa is. But he is means here Chandan Das. Chandan Das is very faithful friend. He will not tell the secret of his friend in any condition. तो यहाँ पे एक और प्रॉब्लम ये है कि राक्षसा शायद चाणक्य के इरादों को जानकर कहीं छुप गया है. किसी को नहीं पता है कि वो कहाँ है. सिर्फ इसका गहरा दोस्त चंदन दास जानता है कि राक्षसा कहाँ है, मगर वो बहुत ही वफादार दोस्त है जो किसी भी कीमत पर अपने दोस्त का राज नहीं बताएगा. However, Chanakya hits upon a plan. He imprisoned Chandan Das. Imprison मतलब कैद करना. Chandan Das and announced throughout the kingdom If Minister Rakshasa does not return within a fortnight, the head of Chandan Das would be cut off. The news spread far and wide like a wildfire. So Chanakya now, he made a plan to find out Rakshasa. And according to plan, first he imprisoned Chandan Das and announced throughout the kingdom, if Minister Rakshasa would not return within fortnight means a period of 2 weeks, जो 2 हफ्तों का जो वक्त होता है उसको fortnight कहते हैं. So if Minister Rakshasa would not return within fortnight, he will cut the head of Chandan Das. And this news has spread in whole kingdom like wildfire. Wildfire means फॉरेस्ट फायर, यानी कि जंगल की आग. सो चाणक्य जो राक्षसा को ढूंढने के लिए एक प्लान बनाता है. प्लान के तहत पहले चंदन दास को कैद करता है और पूरी सल्तनत में यह ऐलान करता है कि अगर राक्षसा 2 हफ्तों के अंदर वापस नहीं आया तो चंदन दास का सर खत्म कर दिया जाएगा. यह खबर आग की तरह पूरी सल्तनत में फैल जाती है. A fortnight from that date passed, and yet there was no sign of Rakshasa coming out of her hiding place. The next day, Chandan Das was taken to the market. There all the people had come out to see what would really happen. When the order to cut off his head was read out loudly, the crowd waited in breathless silence. So 14 days has passed, but Rakshasa did not come back out of his hiding place. The next day, Chandan Das has taken to the marketplace. All the people gathered in the market to see what would happen. Is really Chanakya cut the head of Chandan Das, or the Rakshasa will come to save the life of his friend? तो 2 हफ्तों का वक्त ख़त्म हो जाता है. अगले ही दिन चंदन दास का सर जो है ख़त्म करने के लिए उसे बाज़ार के बीचों बीच लाया जाता है. बहुत सारे लोग बाज़ार में देखने के लिए जमा हो जाते हैं. ये देखने के लिए जमा हो जाते हैं कि आखिर क्या होगा, क्या वाकई चंदन दास का सर ख़त्म कर दिया जाएगा राक्षस, या फिर राक्षसा अपने दोस्त को बचाने के लिए आएगा. Just at that time, a man came to the place, rushing and crying, "Stop!" All eyes turned towards the man. He seemed to have come from a long distance. His clothes were dusty. He was wet all over with sweat, and he looked tired. So, just at that time, a man came rushing and crying, "Stop! Stop!" Everyone's eyes turned towards the man. The man looks as he came from a long distance. His clothes were dusty and full of sweat and was looking tired. तो उसी वक्त जो है दौड़ता हुआ एक शख्स वहाँ आता है और चिल्ला कर कहता है, रुक जाओ रुक जाओ. सभी की नज़रें इसकी तरफ हो जाती हैं, यानी सब इसको देखने लगते हैं. ऐसा लगता है वो आदमी बड़ी दूर से आया हुआ है, क्योंकि इसके कपड़े धूल मिट्टी से भरे हुए हैं और वो पसीने में डूबा हुआ है और बिल्कुल ही थका हुआ नजर आ रहा है. He shouted. He means the man who came to the marketplace, rushing and crying. He shouted, "Here I am. I am Rakshasa, whom you seek. For God's sake, spare Chandan Das." So the man who came to the marketplace and shouting, "Stop, stop," he said, I am Rakshasa, whom you are seeking. So please, for God's sake, leave Chandan Das. तो ये आदमी जो यहाँ मार्केट प्लेस में आता है और चिल्ला कर कहता है रुक जाओ, तो ये कहता है ये कोई और नहीं है, ये कौन है? राक्षसा है. कहता है कि मैं वही राक्षसा हूँ जिसको तुम ढूंढ रहे हो, तो खुदा के लिए चंदन दास को छोड़ दो. The people there shouted in joy, "Oh, it is Minister Rakshasa. Chandan Das is saved. So the people started shouting in joy. Oh, it is Minister Rakshasa. Now Chandan Das is saved. तो वहाँ पे मौजूद तमाम लोग जो है खुशी से चिल्ला उठते हैं, ये कहते हुए कि ये राक्षसा है, राक्षसा अब आ गया है, अब चंदन दास छूट जाएगा, उसका सर कलम नहीं किया जाएगा. Then Chanakya came forward and received Rakshasa with great honor. He made him agree to be the minister of Magadha. He offered rich presents to Chandan Das and sent him home. So Chanakya came forward and welcomed Chandan Das with great respect and convinced him to be the minister of Magadha. And he offered rich presents to Chandan Das and sent him home. तो तमाम लोग जैसे खुशी चिल्लाने लगते हैं, मिनिस्टर राक्षस आ गया है, अब चंदन दास बच जाएगा. तो चाणक्य जो है आगे आकर राक्षसा को बड़ी ही इज्जत से खुशामदीद कहता है, उसको रिसीव करता है और चंदन दास को ढेर सारे तोहफे देकर बाइज्जत घर को भेज देता है. सो द लेसन एंड्स हियर. थैंक यू.